Hello everyone, thank you for coming back for another cooking episode. If you have been watching my cooking videos, you know that I'm not a chef or a pastry expert. Most of the food that I cook for my family to eat. I don't just cook to make videos for YouTube. So I do apologize if some of my videos don't look that great, but you know what? That's what we're eating and that's what it looks like. And this is real life, everyday cooking, and it's not just for show. It's what tastes good that matters to me. So, most of the time, I'm just guessing it too. But that's what cooking is all about. Cooking and baking, it's your own creativity. You add what you want, you adjust what you like and you don't like, and it's whatever you feel like or your taste bud is. So the recipes, specifically the cooking ones, are more of a guideline. You can add more or less of whatever you like. For the baking, it doesn't need to be exact, but pretty close to it will help give you the right consistency. So I hope you're enjoying my video. If you do, put a comment down below. Tell me which videos you like, what kind of baking you like to see in the future. Also let me know if you'd like me to talk through some of these videos or just let the music play and give you text direction on screen. You are so awesome for watching my video to the end. It must mean you liked it. Please hit that thumbs up button before you leave. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You sure don't want to miss any of my other videos. I really hope you come back and watch more videos. So until next time, have a wonderful day.